Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 6th of September, 2024. Indian markets ended lower for the third consecutive session on September 6, with Nifty falling near 24,800 while the Sensex broke 81,000 mark ahead of the US jobs data, set to be released later today. At close, the Sensex was down 1,017.23 points or 1.24% at 81,183.93, and the Nifty was down 292.95 points or 1.17% at 24,852.15. Biggest Nifty losers included SBI, HCL Technologies, NTPC, Asain Bank and BPCL, while gainers were Asian Paints, JSW Steel, Bajaj Finance, LTI Mindtree and Divi's Labs. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Godfrey PHILLIPS is likely to consider a bonus issue to the shareholders in the upcoming board meeting. The announcement was made in an exchange filing before the cigarette makers' 87th Annual General Meeting, AGM, on September 6, Friday. A meeting of the Board of Directors is scheduled to be held on Friday the 20th of September, 2024 to consider and recommend 1:2 bonus issue, the company said in a regulatory filing today. A 1:2 bonus issue means the shareholders will get 2 free shares for each held, if it is approved by the board. The company's board would consider and recommend to shareholders, for their approval, the issue of bonus shares by capitalization of reserves. Issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 2:1 i.e. 2 new fully paid up equity shares of 2 rupees only each for every 1 existing fully paid up equity share of 2 rupees only each, to the equity shareholders of the company by capitalization of reserves, the company said. Shares of WOCKHARDT Limited fell over 5% on September 6 after Congress accused Securities and Exchange Board of India chairperson Madhabi Puri Bach of conflict of interest with the drug firm. Congress alleged Bach received rental income from an entity affiliated with a Mumbai company that the market regulator was investigating for various cases, including that of insider trading. Madhabi Puri Bach had become a whole-time member of SEBI in 2018. Now, after becoming a whole-time member, she gave one of her properties on rent. In the financial year 2018-19, she got a rent of 7 rupees lakh. She received rent of 36 rupees lakh for the same property in 2019-20, which increased to 46 rupees lakh by this year. The name of the company to which Madhabi Puri Bach gave her property is Carol Info Services Limited, which is a part of WOCKHARDT company. WOCKHARDT is the same company, complaints related to which SEBI is continuously dealing with, said Kara. WOCKHARDT is a company on which SEBI is continuously giving orders and dealing with its cases. Madhabi Puri Bach is the chairperson of the same organization which has complaints against WOCKHARDT before it. There was a case of insider trading too. Her organization dealt with insider trading case of WOCKHARDT too. This is a conflict of interest, I would call it corruption. This is not just conflict of interest, this is out-and-out corruption, Kher added at a press conference in New Delhi. DREAMFLOKS Services share price surged over 5% on September 6 as the travel and lifestyle experiences company plans to launch the highway dining for travelers. DREAMFLOKS shares witnessed sharp uptick with the share price rising to today's high of 522.15 rupees apiece on the NSE, rising 10.63% from its previous close. The stock had opened with a gain of 4.67% in today's session. The uptrend in the stock was witnessed after the share fell for 2 days consecutively. Commenting on the launch, Liberatha Kallat, founder and CMD of DREAMFLOKS, said, "As we continue to identify opportunities to enhance the travel experience across multiple touchpoints, expanding our offerings to highways is a natural progression. This new service reflects our vision of creating seamless and elevated travel experiences at every mode of the journey. The new offering marks DREAMFLOKS' expansion beyond airports and railway stations to provide enhanced convenience for highway travelers. The new service will be available at over 600 outlets along key highways across the country." Shares of GUJURAT Fluorochemicals surged over 8% on September 6 amid heavy volumes. So far in the day, a total of 16 lakh shares of the company changed hands on BSE and NSE combined, compared to the 1-month average trading volume of 2 lakh equity shares. After the recent rally, the stock has turned positive on a year-to-date basis. In the past 12 months, the counter has risen 27%, in line with Nifty's 27% gain during this period. For the quarter ended June 30, 2024, Gujarat Fluorochemicals a 2.75% year-on-year decline in net sales to 1,176 rupees crore. The company's net profit also saw a sharp drop of 46.31% year-on-year, falling to 108 rupees crore. Additionally, EBITDA decreased by 25.24% to 271 rupees crore in the quarter under review. Despite a below-average Q1 financial year 2025 results, Gujarat Fluorochemicals stock price has seen an almost 19% surge over the past 2 sessions and now looks overbought in terms of RSI on the daily charts, according to said A.R. Ramachandran of Tips 2 Trades. Rama Steel Tubes Limited in daily time frame is trading around 16.52 points with a change of 19.11% and is trading with a net volume of around 454.937 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 12.42, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.81. SP Apparels Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1,073.20 points with a change of 18.88% and is trading with a net volume of around 400.708 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 926.23, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.43. Arabian Petroleum Limited in daily time frame is trading around 97.90 points with a change of 16.76% and is trading with a net volume of around 430,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 86.50, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.07. For the stock recommendation we have, Brigade Enterprises Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,319 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,279 rupees and a target of 1,360 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.